Did you know that elephants are key players in creating rainforests? These gentle giants consume vast amounts of vegetation, and their dung is a perfect fertilizer, rich in seeds. As they roam, they disperse these seeds across large areas, leading to the growth of new plants and trees. This natural process helps maintain the biodiversity of rainforests, making elephants crucial to their survival. Without them, many plant species would struggle to thrive. So, next time you think of elephants, remember their role as nature's gardeners. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.